Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you concerned about your TikTok stories being shared without your permission? In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to prevent others from adding your stories to their TikTok posts. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Interactions category and tap on Story. Step 7. Here, you have 2 options. You can either select Only Me to ensure that only you can view your stories, or you can switch your account to private. By switching to a private account, others won't be able to repost your stories without your permission. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your TikTok stories and prevent others from adding them to their posts without your consent. Thank you for watching and enjoy a secure and private TikTok storytelling experience.